This short video tutorial is going to guide you through the steps to synchronize your vacation rental calendars between EleutheraDirect.com and VRBO.com. The first thing you're going to need to do is get set up. Open up two browser windows side by side and log into your account on VRBO.com and EleutheraDirect.com. Then from the VRBO.com window, go to the left menu and click on Calendars and then Reservations. Once that comes up, go to the Import-Export pull-down and select Export Calendar. The calendar URL is going to be displayed in the middle of your screen. All you need to do is click on the Copy URL button to the right of it. You can then close the window. Now you're going to go back to the EleutheraDirect.com browser. And from the left menu, you're going to click on Manage Listings. Then, from the Listings list, identify the listing that you need to synchronize calendars for, and then click on the corresponding Update button for that property. Now from your selected property, go to the Calendars tab. And click on Calendar Import. Now place your cursor inside the ical URL box and hit Ctrl-V in order to paste the calendar URL from the VRBO listing. Then down below, hit the Calendar Import button. That saves your changes. If you had any reservations or blocked dates on your VRBO calendar, they'll now be copied to the EleutheraDirect.com calendar. Now go back up and click on the Calendar Export button. Highlight the calendar URL in the box and hit Ctrl-C to copy it. Now go back over to the VRBO.com browser and from the Import-Export drop-down, select Import Calendar. In the calendar name box, we're going to type in capital letters TEX. That's to identify it as one of our calendars. And then in the calendar URL button, you're going to hit Ctrl-V in order to paste the imported calendar URL. Then click the Import Calendar button to complete the process. You'll see a message that says your calendar has been successfully imported. Remember, the calendars are synchronized every hour on the hour. Also, if you delete a reservation from Eleuthera Direct, you must remove the calendar we've named text from VRBO and repeat the entire process. Thanks for watching our video. Please remember to leave a like down below.